Hello everyone and welcome back. My name is Edna and I'm with A&C Consulting Group. And today I want to look at a common business practice among small business owners that can have very serious consequences. And that is commingling of business and personal funds. Some business owners use their business accounts for personal transactions and personal accounts for business transactions. This is known as commingling of business and personal funds. Most business owners know that this is a very bad practice, and some may even know that eventually this is going to be very costly to them if they have to get a tax professional to untangle the mess. But what they may not know is that this business practice may cost them their limited liability status. Yes, when you decide to commingle your business and personal funds, you may lose your limited liability status. One major reason for setting up a business as an LLC or corporation or S Corp is that these business structures provide limited liability status to their owners. If anything was to happen to the business owners will only lose what they have invested in the business. Their personal assets will be protected because there is a separation between the two. But when you, the business owner, decide to commingle your business and personal funds, the message you are sending out there is that there is really no separation between the two. And you may ask, so what's the big deal? The business is mine. Well, the problem is that when you commingle your business and personal funds, you have broken that separation between the two. And someone may decide to come after your personal assets. And with a good lawyer, they probably will succeed. They will pierce the corporate veil. That's the big deal. So the next time you decide to commingle your business and personal funds, just stop and think about it. This simple, innocent action on your part may be a source of serious problem for you in the future. It may cost you your limited liability status. That's it for now, and thank you so much for watching this video.
Make sure you subscribe, like, and add your question to the comments. We look forward to helping you on your entrepreneurship journey to build a feasible, sustainable, and profitable business. So subscribe, and we will see you once again next week.